All right, we're Chris at Car Cave. We're gonna start with the startup. So our old 1970 Fiat 500. Interior is in good shape, runs real well, starts easily. Right now we're not operating any choke. Shift's good, does have synchros in the transmission. Dome light works. You have an ashtray, wipers, turn signals, headlamps. I know the only thing we were going to replace, and it's on order, is the multifunction switch here. That's not done yet, so it is on order. This is a semi-convertible, so your top rolls back, and you get a nice open feel here. So let's get her turned off, and we'll get started. I guess we shut it off, so the opposite of getting started. We'll get starting on the car. It's early on Saturday, so what we have here is a 1970 Fiat 500. We installed the engine and transmission here stateside, so it is a synchronized 126 engine, 594 cc, sorry, synchronized transmission, 594 cc engine from a Fiat 126, or it's a Fiat 126 block. It could have been a later model, similar vehicle, one of the 600s. So painted yellow, recently restored at Storicar in Italy. Chrome shows well, paint shows well, upholstery was done, the vinyl semi-convertible top done. You get around it, you're not finding any rust in the typical places you have on these. All the wheel wells are clean around the hood, the windshield frame, in your trunk, your inner fenders. Everything's tidy. Batteries down here, lower floor pan. It's all clean. It's well done. Getting fingerprints on it. So it all shows well. Engine bay's clean. The motor was rebuilt before we put it in. And the transmission had synchros added and was gone through. So engine bay's clean. And the motor that was in it actually had a little exhaust leak here that you could see was coming through. So what we gathered is when we got the car, all the body work had been done. They did really good work, interior, chrome, but they did not get to doing the motor. So they just put the original motor in, and that's why I went ahead and replaced it. We're using its motor to build a performance motor for another project. And this sits down better. You just need to actually tuck it a little differently. I need two hands for it. There we are. So it sits a little bit cleaner, but you don't have any, that's just a shadow effect, not a dent. You don't have any weird rust up around the top here. We can look at the interior better from up top. Like I said, the dash is clean. The seats are redone. They're in great shape. They feel good. Back seat's clean. Window seals were all new. You don't see any paint lines where they taped around window sills, so it was glass out repaint from what we can tell. There's no overspray on chrome that I've found. All your door sills are clean. The rockers are clean. So nice, well done little Fiat. Very fun cars to drive. We have a couple jollies. We have one over here, the green one, which doesn't have a motor in it. We're using the yellow motor to build performance motor for that jolly. So it should be a fun little project. Get this door open. That was our detailer. A little bit of dirt they missed in the door sill here. So cleaned right off. Inner. If you want to see some undercarriage pictures, we can get up on the rack for you. Just give us a call, email, you know, whatever's the easiest way you want to communicate. Carrier pigeon. It sounds like somebody came in. Somebody else is trying to start work early today. We'll give a quick walk around here. So if you're looking for a little Fiat, this is definitely been well kept. Hey, if you have any questions, give us a call. CarCaveUSA.com, 803-262-4742. Oh, we have a whole group of people coming.
Came for the tour.
Oh, cool.